Letters of recommendation for your visa application can provide third-party validation of your character, skills, and qualifications. Here are some people who could potentially write these letters. Employers, so current or former employers, colleagues, or supervisors can provide your employment status verification and a detailed account of your work ethic, accomplishments, and skills. Professors. If you're a student, professors or academic advisors can attest to your academic abilities, commitment, and character. Community leaders. Individuals who have interacted with you in a community setting can speak to your character and contributions to the community. Personal contacts. Friends and family can also provide a personal character reference. Experts. Experts in your field or in an adjacent field who are only familiar with your reputation in the industry and not you personally may be helpful.